Health benefits of papaya. Papaya is rich in antioxidant nutrients such as carotenes, flavonoids, and vitamin C, as well as vitamin B, folate and pantothenic acid. It is also a good source of fiber and minerals such as magnesium. Together, these nutrients help improve cardiovascular health and protect against colon cancer. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain that aids digestion. Papaya is also high in fiber and water content, both of which help to prevent constipation and promote regularity and a healthy digestive tract. Helps in weight loss. Those looking to lose weight must include papaya in their diet as it is very low in calories. It is a wonderful diuretic and antioxidant. It possesses a large amount of plant fiber, and very little calories. It also provides a good amount of vitamins A, C, and B, calcium, iron and phosphorus. Papaya also helps in weight loss and fighting cellulite. Boosts your immunity. It also supports the development of white blood cells. Vitamin C plays an important role in your immune system, and fruit juices especially rich in it benefit your immunity. You need vitamin C to keep your skin strong, so that it can form a barrier protecting your internal tissues from infection. A single papaya contains more than 200% of your daily requirement of vitamin C, making it great for your immunity. Good for diabetics. Papaya natural antioxidants within the fruit make papaya a great choice for diabetics. Diabetics are prone to many ailments, including heart or nerve damage caused by irregular blood sugar levels. Papaya is an excellent food option for diabetics as it has a low sugar content even though it is sweet to taste. Also, people who don't have diabetes can eat papaya to prevent it from happening. Great for your eyes. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, which helps protect your vision from degenerating. Eat foods rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, lutein and beta-carotene as they help repair the eyes. Nobody wants to lose their ability to see due to diseases like age-related macular degeneration. Eating papaya foods are best for your eyes. Prevents cancer. Papaya is a rich source of antioxidants, phytonutrients and flavonoids that prevent your cells from undergoing free radical damage. The consumption papaya to reduce risk of colon and prostate cancer. It can prevent and may be able to treat a wide range of cancers. Papaya is an effective anti-cancer agent against cervix, breast, liver, lung and pancreas cancers. Papaya salad. Papayas contains vitamin C, E and A, folate. It also gives only 39 calories per 100 gram. Presence of antioxidants burns your calorie down and extra fat deposits. So you can have a healthy breakfast with papaya. Papaya's nutrition benefits are amazing. You can eat it as in salads. Health benefits of papaya seeds. Benefits of papaya seeds. Papaya seeds contain nutrients that help heal cirrhosis of the liver and improve kidney health, preventing renal failure. Its anti-inflammatory properties help treat arthritis and joint disease. It contains an alkaloid called papain that kills intestinal worms and amoeba parasites. While most people throw them away, papaya seeds are not only edible, small amounts of them in your diet can be surprisingly good for you. Papaya for liver. Papaya seeds contain nutrients that help heal cirrhosis of the liver and improve kidney health, preventing renal failure. Its anti-inflammatory properties help treat arthritis and joint disease. Papain, in papaya seeds, helps in effective digestion of protein.